Welcome to Talkable Tips. These are quick videos for really busy parents. So last week we spoke all about free and fun activities for your toddler, and I will link to that video here. And today it is all about babies. So kids who are in that first year of their life, and activities that are completely free and you can do at home. Activity number one is what I like to call the useful box. And it is a collection of recyclable containers that you clean and you just pop in a box. They're fantastic for exploring and using language like open, inside, shake, and even stack. Okay, activity number two is an absolute favourite for babies, for toddlers, for preschoolers, and it is peekaboo. Okay, so you can use a tea towel, or sometimes babies prefer something that's a bit see-through, so that they can still see you when they're hiding underneath it. So a scarf or something like that you've got at home. Language to use when you're playing peekaboo are words like where and under and boo. Babies absolutely love looking at themselves and you in the mirror. So mirror play is a great free activity you can do every day with your little one. It's great for learning words like mummy, and it's also great for helping them to imitate gestures. So things like waving hello, blowing kisses, and even pointing to them, pointing to yourself. So get in the bathroom and have some fun with the mirror today. Okay, so activity 4 is getting in the kitchen. And we talked a little bit about this last week with our toddlers, and they love containers and playing with things like that. For babies, I like to grab things that they can hold on to. So utensils with a good grip, watch that their little fingers don't get trapped. Brushes are fantastic. They're a lovely sensory experience for your bubba. And bowls are great too, because you can make some amazing sounds with these things. They're great for exploration. So your baby will love this. You can even put in a little bit of water and play outside. Remember to always watch your baby if they are around water. Great words to use are mix, bang, stir, put in. Okay, activity 5 is going to be your little bubba's favourite, and that's because it is you. Now, those back and forth interactions that you have with your little one, whether it's copying the sounds they make or telling them what words are and what the names of things are, that is what is building their language. So every time you sit down and you engage in those back and forth interactions, know that you are helping them to learn their first words. Now, I'm sure that you have some favourite things that you love doing with your little bubba at home, and I'd love to hear about it. So please share it with me in the comments below, and I'll see you next week. If you want more of this kind of thing, then you will love the Talkable online course. It's something that I have created through my 20 years of experience as a paediatric speech pathologist, and also through my experiences of being a mum to 2 little girls. It goes through 10 great ways to help your child learn how to talk, and it uses heaps of video tutorials and also teaches you baby sign and gives you this awesome tool to track your little one's language development. You can find it via the link in the description below.